Hello everybody, this is mail time. Here we have an item from TeePublic. Let's get into it. Okay, so I was after a Girlie themed jumper to wear to hockey. Something not too heavy and not too light. Now, we'll need some scissors. I'm really liking the packaging. The pop-art design they chose is nice. So now, let's see what we have. Oh, looky here. This is nice. It's a lot more of a heavier quality material than I thought it would be. Look at that. Nice, right? And here you have it. Let's try it on, see how it fits. And that's it. I'm really happy with the quality of it. Let me know what you think. If you like this design, link to this hoodie will be in the description. See you around.